How to use argan oil shampoo for natural hair growth. Argan oil shampoo is great for revitalizing hair and promoting hair growth. It can make the hair shiny and soft and reduce brittleness. The best part about an argan oil shampoo is that you can use it like any other shampoo. Squeeze a coin-sized amount of the shampoo on your palms and rub it into your scalp and along the length of your hair. Work up lather and then rinse the shampoo with cool water. Use the shampoo once in 2 days to nourish and improve the appearance of your hair. How to use argan oil as a leave-in conditioner for natural hair growth. An argan oil conditioner is ideal for hair growth. You can use pure argan oil as a leave-in conditioner. It is effective and chemical-free. Take in a few drops of argan oil in your palm and rub your palms together. Finger it through your washed hair gently and massage the scalp thoroughly. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.